Hi Sana, what brought you to Manna House?
Ill health and seriously thinking about my health for a very long time. And then it was time that I just took the step and booked the retreat. Before I arrived, I was exhausted, I was fatigued, and my eating patterns were all over the place. I wasn't sleeping really well, but that's all changed now, so I'm happy.
What has been your favourite part of the programme?
Sitting with everybody, spending time with everyone. Everybody's been so lovely. And then the walks that we have together and the conversations that we've shared, it's just been an absolute dream.
Okay, so what is one thing you learned that you didn't expect?
Okay, so before I came here, I heard that there was numerous presentations throughout the day, and I was thinking, it might be a bit boring. How am I going to sit through the presentations? But they have been so engaging. They have been an eye-opener, and I've thoroughly enjoyed them, and I did not expect that.
Yeah, how do you feel now compared to when you arrived?
I feel excited. I feel excited because I'm excited to start on this new journey of health, and I feel it's going to be really, really simple and straightforward, not as difficult as I imagined it to be.
So what would you say to someone who is struggling with their health?
Well, I've got a friend at work, a colleague, and she struggles with her health tremendously, and I've been updating her each day. I've been sending her snippets of the daily routine and what we're doing and what's happening, so she's got a better understanding. She was actually supposed to come here before I did, but then she was like in two minds. She wasn't so sure, and I thought to myself, if I go first, I could come back and I can kind of prove to her what a massive difference it makes. So I'm 100% sure that she is going to be really happy to come here.
Could you give us one word to describe your experience?
An absolute miracle. Dream. If you dream of something and your dream's alive, this is it. It's just, I don't have the words to express. I can't explain it until you come and experience it for yourself.